What's going on, guys? I'm Andrew with Camper Kingdom in Meridian, Mississippi, and today we're going to be viewing this new layout that Forest River Impression has just released to the RV market. This is going to be a brand new 2024 Forest River Impression model number 318RLVIEW. And if you can't tell by now, the view is coming from the humongous windows found on the campsite of the coach. If you're new here, I'd welcome you to the channel, and let's get started. So coming at you 38 feet, 11 inches of total length with a dry weight as it currently sits, of course, minus the propane tanks being filled, and of course all of your stuff is 11,175 pounds. So I do believe it is safe to say you can tow this with at least a 3/4 ton or larger. But of course, as always, I do recommend at least a 1 ton just to be on the safe side. This thing is kind of cool. It gives you this rear living layout, but kind of with a twist. You're going to have a hidden bunk room that can be utilized for several different things. And I do apologize for the squeak. It's been doing a little bit of raining today, so I'm going to do my best to step lightly as we go throughout. Check out all the windows on the campsite of the coach. Just huge, lots of windows. Solid surface countertops found all the way throughout your kitchen, and I like the way a lot of the manufacturers are pretty much eliminating the table, kind of including it in with the island in the middle. Lots of chairs. There is a total of 4 of the leatherback chairs like this, plus you have 2 more folding chairs that will be utilized for the desk area right over here. So your kitchen is going to be tucked off into the corner. Again, solid surface countertops, pretty much your standard Furrion RV oven. You got your Furrion convection microwave now with lots of cabinets. Kind of a glass accent on most of the cabinets throughout. Pretty nice. I like the backsplash too, how they actually bring it from the top of the counter all the way to the bottom of the cabinets there. And I'll open this up. This is just a matching pull out. Kind of resembles a lot like the oven. Good place for your pots and pans. Your fridge is also going to be a Furrion. You got the fridge on the right, the freezer will be on the left. This does work off the 190-watt solar panel found up on the roof. Here's a better view of your kitchen sink. You got the undermount stainless steel sink with a drying rack right here. But in my opinion though, I think there might be just a few too many chairs. I was unable to bring out all 4 of them plus the ones at the dining room table because it really does kind of congest the living area, making it a little bit difficult to get by. Your pantry is going to be this door here. So a couple of different shelves there. Maybe it would have been nice for these to have been adjustable by a few different ones. Motion activated light there. Also notice the floors, you have no carpet in the lower area part of the RV. This is more like a woven type material found on a lot of the high-end pontoon boats that you see. So 2 air conditioners on board also. You've got a 15K here. You have a 15K in the bedroom. And all of your heat will be coming from cabinet heat, so no vents throughout the floor, which is nice if you are a person with maybe a lot of allergies. This is going to be a sleeper sofa found all the way in the back. I'll try to maybe overlay another video showing you exactly what that's going to look like in the open position. Let me go ahead and give you your view from the 2 theater seats. Notice the electric fireplace. I got that on right now, but it's not producing any heat at the moment. You can turn that heat off and just utilize the lights to assist your guests with maybe moving around. Right over here, it looks like 2 pantry doors, but this is going to be the hidden bunk room. So you can turn this maybe into an office. You can utilize it for just a bunk room. I'm going to back up and give you a pretty good view. Of course, the top bunk will lay flat. The bottom one's already down. Back here on the back, let me lift this mattress up. You've got kind of a built-in desk. So one of the folding chairs can be set here. Pretty good view out the window. You got all the connections you could possibly need for your computer. Lots and lots of storage here. So this little switch here has its own little purpose. The air conditioning coming from the roof. I guess there is an issue with getting a lot of ventilation, so they incorporated another fan behind here just to assist with bringing some of that cool air down. More storage right over here. Back over here though, you got plenty more storage for all of your guests. Your windows are trimmed out with black roller shades in here. These are different from the ones found out here. So all of these windows are in fact breeze windows also. They will open up, giving you a nice cross breeze. I don't want to break it, but your curtains are going to be that thick white material. Let's see if we can at least show you one of these. Opened all the way up. They're pretty nice. I like the way they've done that. I've closed all these before in a couple of other videos. They do a really good job of just keeping all that sunlight out. Check out your ceiling. I like the way they separated the individual panels with the darker trim. I feel like I've touched on just about everything. Maybe just touch on this. So these are two Thomas Paine Collection theater seats. These will recline. They have a manual pull handle there. Your slide box height, by the way, you're looking at right at 6'3", so you're not going to really have to worry about hitting your head. Pretty cool little desk area found right over here, but if you don't want to use it for a desk, this shelf here, of course, lifts up, but you can put more additional baskets right over here. Pretty cool place, maybe to keep some notepads, some ink pens. 110 out within the island. Let's go ahead and head upstairs. All your controls for your slide operations, light switches, tank heaters, both of the thermostats. And this is the on-demand water heater controls. Check this out. This is rather nice. His and her sink with the new stainless steel, kind of a darker black. That's kind of nice. Ceiling height inside the bathroom is only 6'4". So if you are taller than that, just be cautious of your head. Especially with this, I've bumped my head into this a few times. You do in fact have a seat with a flush mounted shower pan. So you're looking at maybe a 4-inch step up to get in, but this is flush mounted, so you still gain all the additional headroom up top. Plus, you have the added skylight for more additional headroom. Porcelain foot flush toilet. Notice the cabinet vent right there. That's for all of your heat. I like the his and her sink. The bathroom is very, very roomy. More additional linen closet space right over there. Let's head to the front. So this is where you're going to have the only carpet inside the RV, found right here in the bedroom. This is going to be a 60 by 80 queen size bed. So this is like one thing I'm not understanding. Notice right over here on the wall, that's your 110 and USB outlet. So I'm not sure why they didn't locate those back over this way, maybe for somebody with a CPAP machine. And as you all know, the mattress inside of these things are not the best. Probably one of the very first things you'll end up upgrading whenever you get your RV is going to be the mattress. Between that and the tires on the coach, TV connections are right over here up on the ceiling. So you can either set a TV here on the top of your dresser, maybe about a 32-inch could be put there. And for some reason there is another TV backer sticker here, but there's no actually TV connections found over here. So I'm thinking somebody at the factory might have just misplaced that. Found under the bed is the other additional folding chairs for your two desks that you have. And these are some additional baskets for the desk. I actually thought these were kind of interesting. They open up and then the bottom of them can be closed down. That's actually kind of nice how they collapse down that size. So your closet found on the front, you can in fact have a stackable washer and dryer. Washing machine can be on this side. Dryer would be over here on that. Plenty of storage space. The bed is also going to be the new VersaTilt. It raises the head of the bed up. Those controls are located right over here on the wall. Let's make our way down and take a look at our sales price. So for more additional photos, you can always click the link found in the video description. Takes you back over to our website where I'll have many different photos of this model plus some additional information. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below, or you can reach out to me at my email address or the phone number that I also list in that video description. So this is called the MSRP sheet. Pretty much shows all the different things that are inside the coach. MSRP of $86,141. Let's go ahead and make our way outside and touch on a few of the things here. So I greatly do appreciate you guys sticking around. We are almost at 40,000 subscribers on the channel. Things have been slacking off for me just a little bit. That's because my health has not been the best. we are starting to get a little bit better. So I'm very, very grateful for that. So this is called a mid-profile unit, meaning it tapers off slightly in the front as well as the back. What that is they do that just so it kind of helps on some of the weight, but still you're looking at a dry weight of 11,000 pounds so far and almost 39 feet in length. This model is going to be leveled from a fully automatic leveling system. There's your front legs, and the back ones will be behind the tires. Those controls are located inside of your passenger compartment here. So there's several different things going on in this area, so bear with me for 1 second. This is your leveling controls. Lippert component, very, very easy to operate, but by simply pressing a one button, this RV will in fact level itself. Radiant foil wrapped all the way around the floor, and there's your floor joist. Plenty of room. Right here is a little limited. You're maybe 24 inches by maybe 24 to 28. But of course it gets a little bit bigger on that side. So whenever you're hooking up your RV, your water lines will come up through the floor connecting to your city water connection or your black tank flush. And there's your satellite hookups. You're also prepped maybe for an inline filter if you decided to add that later. Your baggage doors are about an inch thick. This is the exhaust for the on-demand water heater, exhaust for the furnace. Sewer connections on board, you only have one. You have several different pull handles here. You have two gray and a black. Rack and pinion slide. AM FM radio antenna. That's kind of an odd place to put one, but it is there. It is provided. You have a fully walkable roof, blindside camera prepped. Also, there's a towing package on the new Impression. 3,000 pound towing rating, 300 pound hitch rating, and you're already wired for all of your trailer lights also. We'll come back and get that put back on in just a few minutes. LED brake lights, that's nice to see. Those windows are just absolutely huge. Some people like them, some dislike them. What is your opinion on having windows of this size? I had a customer this weekend that's going out to West Texas, and that's one thing that they did not want, are windows of that size. Overall though, it's a pretty cool little layout. I can maybe see myself utilizing the bunk room for either a closet or maybe just an own private office. Let us know what you guys think down below. Continue to like and subscribe. Come see us.